So on my '04 F150, the fuel relay sensor is right there. Right here. So a little bit tricky finding it, but we got her. Fuel rail pressure sensor. It's about $100 at Part Source. So this is the Corroded Fpdm. It's basically located underneath where the gas tank is. You'd have to take off your spare tire, and that's the first thing you should check. And then after that, check the fuel relay sensor, and then after that, check the fuel pump to save yourself from headaches. Don't forget to check your fuses on the kicker panel on the passenger side. One way to find out if your fuel pump is still good, connect the positive and negative post, and it should spit out fuel. That'll indicate it's still good.